Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you already have. Open a terminal or PowerShell and run Python version and Python 3 version. Once done, locate the actual executables with which or where to record their full paths. Make sure to inspect your path and shell profile files, $path, ~, bashrc, ~, profile or Windows environment variables, because you will add or reorder entries there. This prevents conflicts and ensures you modify the correct file for persistent changes. You now modify the path to point to the chosen interpreter. On Linux or Mac OS, open your profile and add export path equals /path/ to /python, $path, and on Windows use setx path, %path%, c, \path/ to \python in an elevated prompt. Once added, place that path before others so this interpreter takes priority. After saving changes, reload the shell with source ~, bashrc, or simply start a new terminal session. On Windows, you finish by validating the change. Run which Python and Python version, or use pi-3 on Windows to confirm the expected interpreter is active. If you still get the wrong version, inspect path for duplicate entries and remove or reorder them in your profile or environment variables. Make sure virtual environments aren't masking the system binary, deactivate them, or adjust their activation scripts. A key troubleshooting tip: update or recreate symlinks with sudo ln sf/path/ to /python/usr/bin/python when appropriate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.